Keep dancing, honey. Dancing fruit. Can you sing the song too? Oh, your mouth is full. Dancing fruit. Is your mouth full? What do you got in there? What's in your mouth? What's in there? What's in your mouth? Fruit?
Yeah.
Yeah. Want to go get another piece, or is that a big one in there? Use your teeth to chew it up, Kiki.
No big one. No big one.
It's not a big one.
Flower.
Can you go nyang 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 nyang?
That's good. That's good.
Good stretching. Good dancing.
Look.